name is Adrija Raichoduri. My class name is UKG. My school name is Tulsi Titan School. This is my project side 1 of animals and features. This is animals as cat, dog, rabbit, cow, elephant, tiger. Meat, grass, some eat meat. Jungle animals, some pet animals. Two animals and features. Other animals like parrot and frog. Three and features. Features and unique features. Trees are mango, pine, tulsi, money plant, aloe vera. Trees have trunks, roots and leaves. Thank you everyone.